In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hopefully you all are doing well. Welcome to online classes. I am your English teacher, and as you know that all the schools are closed due to COVID-19, so therefore we will continue our education through online classes, and all the topics will be covered through online videos and classes, and your books and copies will be checked in the school. So today I am going to tell you an interesting story, and the name of the story is Nobody Wanted to Play. Nobody Wanted to Play. Written by Roderick Hunt and Alex Brechta. As you know that this story we already have started in the school, but today I am going to finish this story and you will enjoy the story till end. In this story you will be able to learn new vocabulary words, you will sound out and blend the new words, and you will read the sentences properly. So here is a boy and his name is Wilf. Here is a dog and the dog name is Floppy. So let's open the story book, page number 1. Here is a boy and his name is Wilf. The Wilf friends' names are Chip, Biff and Wilma. Wilf was cross. Wilf was cross. Wilf was very mad and angry at his friends because Chip, Biff and Wilma, they didn't want to play with Wilf, and Wilf went out with Floppy. Come towards page number 2. Nobody wanted to play. Nobody wanted to play. He went to the park. He went to the park. Biff, Wilma and Chip, they didn't go with Wilf for playing, and Wilf went to the park by himself with Floppy. Wilf played on the rocket. Wilf played on the rocket. I am a spaceman, he said. I am a spaceman, he said. Okay, in the park, Wilf climbed up on the sphere like this shape. He is looking very happy. Here is Floppy, and he is imagining and he is thinking in his mind that I am a spaceman. Here is a spaceman. Do you know that who is a spaceman? A spaceman is a person who travels outside the Earth's atmosphere, and he search out and find the information regarding the sun, moon and stars. Here you can see these are the stars. Okay. He played on the seesaw. He played on the seesaw. I am a juggler, he said. I am a juggler, he said. Okay, after that, Wilf stand up on the seesaw. Here is a seesaw, and he started to play with the ball. And Floppy was looking at him. He is imagining now. He is thinking that I am a juggler. Do you know juggler? Who is a juggler? A juggler is a person who performs the different and the difficult acts and the magics. Here you can see that he is moving on a big ball, and he is juggling with few balls, and behind the people, they are laughing and they are enjoying. So Juggler entertains the people. He played on the horse. He played on the horse. After that, he kept on the horse in the park, and he was thinking that, I am a cowboy, he said. I am a cowboy, he said. So Wolf is thinking that he is riding the horse and he is a cowboy. Here is a horse. He played on his bicycle. He played on his bicycle. After that, in the park, Wolf riding the bicycle very fastly. At the back side, you can see that the Floppy is running very fastly with the Wolf, and he is thinking that I am a stuntman, he said. I am a stuntman, he said. So here is a stuntman, and Wolf is thinking that he is a stuntman. And do you know that who is the stuntman? Here is a new word, and I will tell you about the stuntman. That stuntman is a person who rides the motorcycle very fastly, and here you can see that there are few cars and he is jumping over the few cars. A stuntman performs the difficult and the dangerous acts. He climbed up the ladder. Here is a ladder, and in the park here is a sliding, and he was climbing up the ladder, and he was thinking in his mind that I am a fireman, he said. I am a fireman, he said. So Wolf was thinking and imagining that he is a fireman, and he is saving someone from this tall building. Okay, after that, he climbed on the wall. He found a wall in the park, and he was climbing on the wall. Here you can see that he was climbing on the wall, and he was thinking that I am a Spiderman, he said. I am a Spiderman, he said. He was thinking that he is a Spiderman who can climb on the wall very easily. Whoops! Ooh! So this is the end of the story, and in this last page, what you can see that the wolf fell on the Floppy, and the ice cream fell to the ground. He was imagining that he is a Spider-Man. He didn't see the Floppy, and he fell on the Floppy. So this was the end of the story. I hope that you have enjoyed this story. Okay, read all the sentences of this story, and I hope that you will understand and you understood all the difficult and the new words, and you have to read again and again all these sentences. And at the last I will say to you that stay at home, take care of yourself, and you will do your work. Inshallah, we will meet in school. Allah Hafiz.